Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, y'all, I do some clothing hauls, I do some black love, I do some travel vlogs, and your girl's been getting into, like, you know, little chat with me type videos. And of course, I do my wig reviews on this channel. But if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in a minute. All right? We're gonna be right back. So today I am reviewing another Outre unit. It is from Divas, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It's from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. It's a lace front wig. It's in the style CHLORIS, in the color too. It's 24 inches long, and this is what the stock card is looking like. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. And here is the back of the stock card. And here are some of the other colors that this unit comes in. It has baby hairs included. It's a pre-attached wide elastic band, HD transparent lace, heat safe up to 400 degrees. Some of the specs on this unit is that the HD transparent lace is soft, as a 5-inch deep parting space, completely pre-plucked hairline with sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort fit, ear contour. So yeah, y'all, this unit has two combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hair friendly. I have not experienced any tangling or shedding as of yet, and I will say the density is very nice. This unit is just giving, like, you know, 100% premium fibers. It's not silky, but it's not yucky as far as the texture. And I'm loving this unit. I like the face frame. I will say that some of the things that I don't like about it is that I feel like the lace is a little bit too much. Like, as you guys saw earlier, there was like this big chunky piece here. I just tucked it under. But unfortunately, you do have to somewhat glue this unit down. I don't like gluing down synthetic wigs. They're synthetic. I don't want to be sleeping in it and all that stuff, you know. So that's like my only con with this unit, is like the lace shaping and the fact that I have to glue this unit down for it to look more natural. I do feel like if this unit is going to have an elastic band, it shouldn't have all that extra lace because that's the point of the elastic band, so it can be a secure tight fit. So I shouldn't have to glue it down and have the elastic band in the same unit. But Y'all, this unit does range on Divatress's website for $50. The link is in the description box below if you want to purchase, you know. And yeah, I'm liking it. I do feel like a lot of these units are just starting to look the same. I mean, y'all, we got to get a little bit more creative here. But it's cute. This is giving me like Aaliyah vibes. Rock the boat Aaliyah vibe. So I do like it. It's definitely summer, spring look. This is a brunch look. It is cute, and I'm loving the length. I'm loving the length. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.